This is George Beyrouthi from FS Securities. We are a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. And this is a regular program where I intend to bring you up to date with what is going on in the financial world and how to be successful in trading or investing in shares, options, commodities, or any financial instrument. Well, Mr. Trump claimed recently that he was the best president the US ever had. He said, look at the stock market. It climbed from somewhere around the 20,000 mark when he became president all the way to 27,000. And that is actually a rise of 35%. Oops, Mr. Trump, what do you have to say about the market dropping by 26% before Christmas? Well, in case he forgot that Obama, during his 8 years tenure, he managed to actually have the market going up by 200%. Well, this morning we wake up to hear that the Dow recovered 5%, as you can see here. This is the daily chart and that is the weekly chart. 5%, in actual fact, that's nearly 1,000 points, and that is actually the highest one-day level rise in the history of the Dow. Well, the question is it Santa Claus rally or a dead cat bounce? If we look at the volume, well, this morning we see that the volume has actually gone up to 433 million. Actually, that is actually slightly above the average of slightly below the 400 million. But what I really want to show you, well, where are we going from here? If you look at the weekly chart, if you look at the 50% Fibonacci retracement, that takes us to about 21,211, somewhere around that level. We expect the market will eventually, after Christmas, to fall back down to. What happens when it reaches that 50% retracement? Well, if it goes well below it and stays below it, we can see maybe the 20,000 level to be seen sometime in 2019, and that could be as early as January or February, especially when the Democrats will take over the lower house on the 3rd of January. Well, here we are. We're a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast, and we are a one-stop shop. We cover all areas in financial instrument that you may be interested in. And we are very strong in education. We try to educate our market to pick up signals when to enter, when to exit the market. Well, a disclaimer, because I don't know what your financial circumstances are, and of course this presentation was a general advice only. And if you really want to read the full disclaimer, all you have to do is go to our website, fssecurities.com.au. If you have any questions, all you have to do is write to us, and that is our details. You can write directly to me, George at fssecurities.com.au, or visit our website, or call us on that number that you can see on the screen. Well, that's all from us here at FS Securities. Please have a great day and enjoy our presentations, which will be up to you every day.